Hey guys, you know what? It's midweek and I came home and kind of in a hurry and I wanted to cook something up in like 15-20 minutes. Had some rice kicking around the fridge and I thought, what about a 15-minute caramelized beef over rice? Threw it together, came out absolutely incredible. So fast, so easy, so delicious, kind of like a teriyaki. But you're going to love it, so let me show you how to do it. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do is add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. We want to get this oil fairly hot here. Now this is beginning here guys, you want to get this to the point where the oil's not smoking but it's just beginning to ripple up here, so then you know it's at the right temperature. Now we're at temperature, I'm going to add in a pound of lean ground beef. You can use medium too. I'm going to break this up a bit, but I'm going to smush it down here. So we're going to break this into about 2-inch chunks and kind of smush it down. And that way it's going to begin to caramelize just on the bottom. So what we're doing is essentially kind of making a smush burger or something like that here. So I'm going to get that nice caramelization on the bottom, which I'll show you here in a minute. Okay guys, after a couple of minutes, you can see we're starting to get that caramelized crispiness. I can actually feel it on the flipper here. We're just going to flip them over and we'll just fry them for another couple of minutes on the other side. That's what we want right there. Now we got that caramelization happening on the other side, guys. I'm just going to break this up into chunks now. Next up, in with a small chopped onion. Not really chopped, just kind of ringed or half ringed. 4 cloves of garlic. You know me, I just gotta have my garlic. And a thumb-sized chopped ginger. And we'll give this a stir around and saute this, I guess, for about 2 minutes, something like that. Oh, but this is smelling so good. Something about that onion and garlic and ginger filling the air, that aroma. Wow. After a couple of minutes, in with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Couple of tablespoons of honey, just to sweeten up our lives. Actually, you can use any kind of sweetener you like, but I just like this fresh honey. Some ground black pepper. We really don't need any salt because we got that soy sauce happening there, so that should be enough sodium for us, I would think anyway. If you know me, I just love pepper. And you know what guys, it's looking a little dry to me, so I'm going to go in with a couple of tablespoons of water, and you can add more if you like, you know, depending on the texture and consistency you want. And we'll just give this a stir around. But this is smelling fantastico. Now we're going to kill the heat, and in with about a tablespoon of sesame oil. You're going to add more depending on, you know, what you like, but I think a tablespoon's good for me. Uh-oh, isn't this looking good? Of course, give everything a stir around again. Okay guys, now what we're going to do is spoon this up over some steaming hot rice. Yum. Now I made this rice, but you can use the packaged stuff too. And of course, we're going to garnish things up with some green onions, something like that. And of course, to really add the finishing touches, a few sesame seeds. Doesn't that look good? Wow. And there you have it, guys, our caramelized ground beef over rice. Absolutely delicious. Okay, guys, let's grab some of this up. Make sure I got a bit of rice on here, but lots of that beef. But I think this is going to be so good. All right, let's give this a taste. You know what's amazing is it's kind of like a teriyaki, but for 15 minutes, I mean, you can't go wrong. I just love the seasoning. Get that hint of ginger, that sesame oil, the garlic, everything just blends together so nicely. And that caramelization on the beef, that's really important. Just love the texture of it. Got to make this up, guys. And if you do, leave us a comment. Love to read them. And most of all, like and subscribe. I mean, it's all free. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. And I'm definitely going to have more of this 15-minute caramelized beef. So good.